Microsoft just quietly released a hidden Windows 11 performance feature that could make your PC feel more responsive. The best part? You don't have to wait for Microsoft to enable it. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to unlock it right now. Welcome back, everyone. Microsoft has just rolled out a new Windows 11 update that includes a hidden performance feature called the Low Latency Profile, which can help improve CPU responsiveness and reduce unnecessary delays when interacting with Windows. In this video, I'll show you how to check if your system supports it, how to test whether it's enabled, and how to force enable it right now instead of waiting for Microsoft to roll it out automatically. Before we begin, make sure you're running the latest Windows update. As you can see on screen, my Windows installation is fully up to date. To check yours, open Settings and Windows Update and click Check for Updates. Then go to System About and verify that you're running the required Windows build shown on screen. You can also check Windows Update history to confirm that all recent updates have been successfully installed. That's the first requirement. Now here's the interesting part. How do you know whether the low latency profile is actually enabled on your PC? Open Task Manager and monitor your CPU usage. Then try opening things like the Start menu, Windows Search, the Weather widget, Calendar, or other Windows components. If the feature is enabled, you should see your CPU cores briefly spike in activity and then quickly return to idle. However, Task Manager isn't detailed enough to clearly show what's happening on individual CPU cores. So we're going to use a third-party monitoring tool called HWiNFO. Download the portable version, extract it, and launch the 64-bit executable as administrator. Once HWiNFO is running, you'll be able to monitor live CPU core activity in real time. As you can see on my system, I have both Task Manager and HWiNFO open. I'm testing Windows Search, the Start menu, Weather widgets, and Calendar. At the moment, I don't see the expected CPU core activity spikes, which suggests that the low latency profile is not currently enabled. So let's enable it. First, download the latest ViVeTool release and extract the zip file directly to the root of your C drive. Once extracted, rename the folder if desired to make it easier to access. Now open the folder and confirm that the path is located in the root of your C drive. Next, launch Command Prompt as administrator. Copy the folder path, type cd. Then paste the path and press Enter. Once you're inside the 6 ViVeTool folder, copy the command shown on screen, paste it into Command Prompt and press Enter. If everything completes successfully, the low latency profile should now be enabled. I'll close everything, reopen Task Manager and HWiNFO, and now watch what happens when I open Windows Search, the Start menu, Weather widgets, and other Windows components. Notice how the CPU cores briefly spike and then quickly settle back down. That's exactly what we want to see. This indicates that the low latency profile has been successfully enabled on my system. Now, if you don't want to use any third-party tools, don't worry. Microsoft is gradually rolling this feature out through Windows Update, so it should eventually be enabled automatically on supported systems. But if you're impatient and want the performance improvement right now, this method lets you enable it immediately. Did you notice any difference on your PC after enabling it? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Windows tips, tweaks, and performance guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.